Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight we'll continue working on the spot where the kick panel was. We have to straighten some pieces, clean up some areas, and get it ready for the new kick panel. I think that's what we'll be doing tonight. It may be kind of a shorter video. It's already about midnight. It's still close to 90 degrees in here, so I don't know how long I'll last. But anyways, that'll be my focus tonight, is cleaning up that area. But I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. It really means a lot to me. It really helps the channel out. I never thought I'd make it to 85, but it just keeps me motivated to get this back on the road. I just want to say thank you, and stick around for a little bit. Maybe we can see how far this goes. Anyways, let's get to work. Alright, this is what we'll be working on all the way from up here down to about right here on this piece and this whole tub right here. Like I said before, we need to straighten this out better and clean it up because there's a lot of just, I guess, body putty, or that seam sealer just stuck in there, and we have to make sure that kick panel can come up underneath it. Like I said before, we gotta make this tab straightened out and get it flat and cleaned up on the back side so the new panel will fit perfect against it. And then all these need some work, like some stuff needs to be grinded off and just straightened up. And this is my biggest problem, this right here. I figure I'm gonna hammer it down, hammer these back straight, and just grind this top side down, this side down and underneath. And then we'll, I don't know if I have any metal to put there, but if I don't have any here, I'll get some. We'll cut a strip to lay it all the way down on this inside bend, and we'll tack it in place. At least that's my plan. But tonight, it's just mainly a bunch of cleanup, trying to get this ready for the new kick panel. Sorry about the weird angle, but I think I'm going to turn my attention to this spot first and try to get it straight, and at least straight enough so that piece will fit flush on this back side. Well, I think we did pretty good for tonight. Kind of, I don't know if you can tell, but kind of make that straighter, which I just test fitted my kick panel. And there's a pretty big gap when the kick panel is all the way against this piece. There's a pretty big gap in the front. You know, if I push it all the way to the front, then there's a gap back here. But I guess I need to line it up with this piece here. If it's against that, then that's where it is, or if it's against that, so that's where it is. I don't know if, I mean, I can bend this back some, but I'm not sure what to do, or just add metal to that piece on the kick panel to build it out to meet this. That's what I could do, I guess. But we'll worry about that later. But tonight we cleaned it up pretty good in here, on this underside too. I think that one's, they're relatively straight now. There's a little dip right there, but I think that'll be all right. I'm really happy how, you can see it, that piece right there come out. I know it's not 100% straight, this piece here, but it was a lot better than it was. Can get the camera to focus. Anyways, I think this is gonna have to come out this way a little bit to put the panel behind it, and then fold it back over. And then we straighten this out, which that turned out really good. And that's really solid metal there, so I also don't know if I'm gonna cut there, replace this floor pan, or what if I end up doing. Anyways, so I just left this piece like it is because we got a whole new floor over there. And this turned out pretty well too. I don't remember how bad it was, but it's pretty straight now. I think it's straight enough to weld to. I had some little metal spurs on the back that was preventing me from getting back there in that corner and hammering it. But once you get those off, it's pretty easy. I just wanted to take the paint off this because we'll be welding right here. All these ones that are open. These ones down here, I probably won't, there's no need to weld up here because I didn't rip it. So we'll just weld those from the back side. But what's gonna be kind of difficult for me is when I get the kick panel on here, I gotta try to weld down in here on this back side. But we'll do that when we get there. But yeah, I'm pretty happy how tonight went. I think we're in a good spot. I think that's gonna do it for me tonight. Like I said, it's extremely hot out here and I'm tired and I gotta go work in the morning, but I think we're good on to weld the kick panel on, but we got a lot of test fitting and stuff to do. And I ordered some weld through primer and I won't be here till between August 3rd and 6th. So if we can't do any more on that, we'll start taking stuff off. I know that all the brake stuff and that, I think that's an emission canister or something, I think, or a vacuum canister. That had to come off, and just much stuff on this firewall needs to come off, and we may even try to pull the steering column out. But that'll be if we can't move forward on the kick panel. But yeah, I'm happy how it turned out. I mean, sorry for a lack of content, but like I said, it's just gonna be me doing stuff that needs to get done. If it's cleaning metal up, then that's what I'll be doing. Anyways, thank you again to the new subscribers. Really means a lot and it keeps me going. And yeah, just please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm also thinking that if they're gonna have the Robbers Cave car show in Wilburton, I may try to take this to it, see if they'll allow me to or not. That just all depends if I got the kick panel on. I don't want to be hauling it without any support right there, really. But thought about doing something like that if maybe y'all live in Oklahoma. But anyways, I guess I'll see you on the next.